It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 6th of December. I'm James Spann. Next weather headline, the coldest air so far this season. That will be blowing in here Thursday. And by Friday and Saturday morning, some of the colder pockets could see upper teens. How about that? Let's dive in and talk about it. That's the water vapor satellite view this afternoon. Got a shortwave trough lifting northeast away from Alabama. That brought the rain this morning. Temperatures are in the 50s, Birmingham at 54. We are in between a colder air mass to the north, St. Louis at 42, and a warmer air mass southeast of here at Jacksonville, Florida, a balmy 83. But you can see nationally very cold air. I mean the coldest we've seen so far this season blowing into Montana. They are below zero at mid-afternoon, and we'll be feeling that by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Up north, a blizzard warning for much of North Dakota and parts of northwestern Minnesota as they've got howling winds and heavy snow falling. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday evening of next week, about 1 inch for the northern part of the state. We could see a touch of light rain in here with the Arctic front Thursday. That rain won't amount to much, but a more significant rain event possible as the weekend wraps up Sunday night into Monday of next week, as you'll see. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. You can see the vortex to the north digging south. Down below that, we are in a cool air mass. A lot of clouds around. The sun breaks out at times. Highs in the middle 50s. Thursday, here comes the Arctic front. A 1048 millibar high pushing down over Montana and North Dakota. The winds pick up out of the north very strong, gusting at times to 30 miles an hour. And again, as the front comes through Thursday morning, there could be a few sprinkles, a little light rain, but not very much. The moisture extremely limited. That's the high-res NAM Thursday morning at 6 o'clock, and there's just not much to that. And somebody near the Tennessee border might see a snowflake, but again, this is insignificant. Most locations probably with not enough rain to measure. The big story, it's the cold. The high will be in the low 40s on Thursday, and that strong north wind will make it feel much colder. Friday, the clouds are gone, but it's very cold. The high will be in the upper 30s up in the Tennessee Valley. They'll struggle to climb above the freezing mark, but again, the sky will be sunny and the wind not as bad. Saturday morning, that ought to be the coldest morning. I see lows between 18 and 22 for most spots. The record low Saturday morning, December 10th, is 13, so I think the record is safe, but that's way below average. And then the day Saturday should be sunny with a high back in the upper 40s. Sunday, the day should be dry, a high in the 50s. The next wave you can see off to the west. This is Sunday night at midnight. Rain moves in to the northern half of the state, so it looks like the weekend will be ending wet. And then by Monday at midday, the rain begins to push out. This is the European, the timing and better agreement. This is suggesting the main chance of rain will be late Sunday night and Monday morning. This is Monday morning at 6 o'clock. So as the weekend wraps up and we get into Monday, we'll have some rain to deal with. And this is Tuesday. This is a week from today, the 13th. And again, that's a very cold look over Canada. Down below that, that looks like a dry day. The high would be in the 50s. But check this out. This is Thursday of next week, the middle of the day, a 1040 high north of us. If this is right, we would stay below freezing all day on Thursday the 15th. For places like Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, these are the anomalies, just very, very cold for the eastern states. So an Arctic blast Thursday and Friday of this week, another Arctic blast Thursday and Friday of next week. And again, we stress with both of those, there's zero evidence of any winter storm mischief, snow or ice, no evidence of anything like that. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday of next week, the 16th, trough rotating out, still very cold. I mean, we are way down in the 20s and probably teens if this verifies. Now, these are the numbers off the ensemble of the European here. This is the mean. And again, you got the high Friday of 39. And again, next week, that next shot is not factored in. But don't be shocked if you see the numbers drop tremendously by Thursday and Friday of next week with that second Arctic blast. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.